Hi guys, welcome to this Augview Augmented Reality tutorial. I'm going to give you a rundown of the user interface elements in the AR mode. So if we start at the top left corner there, you'll notice our back button, which does exactly what you'd expect. It navigates us back to the screen that we came from, whether that be the settings or the map. To the right of that is our search field. If you're unsure on how to use Augview's search functionality, I recommend checking out our search tutorial. To the right of the search field is our layers button, which you'll notice is flashing in and out at the moment to indicate that data is still loading. I've positioned us in a relatively busy Auckland location, so there's quite a lot of data to load. If I click on the layers button, I'm presented with our data sources. So at the moment there's only one data source displayed, the Auckland Underground services, and if I click on that, I get a little drop down list of the layers within that data source. So we have stormwater, wastewater and water. So for instance, I may only be interested in looking at water data and I don't want stormwater and wastewater cluttering up my view. So I'm going to deselect stormwater and wastewater and navigate back to the AR view. You notice that our view updates and we're only left with water data. If I go back into the layers, I can quickly turn stormwater and wastewater back on and my view updates. The next button there is the attributes button, which you'll notice is passive at the moment. Nothing will happen if I click on it because we don't have any objects selected, so there's no attributes to display. To change that is very easy. If I want to select an object, all I need to do is tap on it. So I'm going to tap on this brown pipe that we see in front of us here, and I'm presented with the attributes overlay for that particular object, which is a wastewater retail pipe. So I can scroll down and have a look at the various attributes of that object. If I navigate back to the AR view, you'll notice that the brown pipe has been turned red to indicate that it is now the selected object, and our attributes button there is active, it's not passive anymore. So if I want to go back and review those attributes, all I need to do is press the button and I have that data available to me instantly. If I want to select another object or deselect the current one, all I need to do is tap anywhere else in the screen and you'll notice that my selected object is removed. The next button is our map navigation button, which will take us into Augview's map mode. The map has its own tutorial, so I'd recommend checking that out as well. Next up is the video button, which will turn the video feed on and off. It's currently set to off, and I'm going to leave it that way since I'm currently inside and the 3D models that we're looking at bear no resemblance to where I'm currently located. We have other videos showing Augview's AR mode in action live in the field, so check those out if you're interested. To the right of that is the settings button, which will take you to the settings screen. Again, that has its own tutorial, so I would thoroughly recommend having a look at that. The next button there is the GPS button. You'll notice that it's grey at the moment because we're not positioned in my current GPS location. If I hit that button, you'll notice that our view is updated and it's now displaying us the data that is close to my GPS location. You notice that the layers button has started flashing in and out to indicate that data is still loading, and that will stop once everything is fully loaded. And that is Augview's AR mode. Thanks for watching.